Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Tyagi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Ankur Tyagi Officials. Today we begin our journey through the history of English literature starting with the Old English period also known as the Anglo-Saxon Age. So let's start. Firstly, we will see the introduction of the Old English literature. The Old English period stretches throughly from 450 AD to 1066 AD, ending with the Norman conquest. During this time, the foundations of the English literature were laid, shaped by invasions, battles, and blending of the cultures. And now, it's our duty to know about the historical background of the Old English literature. After the Romans left Britain, tribes like the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes arrived. They brought their Germanic language, which slowly developed into what we call Old English. It was a strong, harsh language, perfect for heroic tales and war songs. Main characteristics. If we talk about the main characteristics of the Old English literature, first point is that Old English literature was mainly oral, passed down by word or mouth. Its key features include alliteration, canon, and theme of heroism, fate, religion, and loyalties. And now I'm going to clarify the important works of the Old English literature. First is the most famous work of this period is Beowulf, the great epic poem of around 3000 lines. It tells the story of the brave hero Beowulf who defeats monsters like Grendel and a fire-breathing dragon. Second, the other important writings include religious poetry by Caedmon and Sinwulf, as well as prose works by King Alfred the Great, who promoted learning and translated text into Old English literature. During this period, there were many religious influences, as Christianity deeply influenced Old English literature. Mainly poems focused on biblical themes, saints' lives, and moral struggles. At the same time, the old pagan spirit of courage and fate, known as Yerd, remained strong. And now we have come to an end. So let's discuss the end of the period. The Old English period came to an end in 1066 when William the Conqueror invaded England. With the Norman came the French language, which transformed English literature forever. So, friends, the Old English period gave us the roots of English literature, epic poetry, heroic idyls, and a glimpse of English's earliest cultural identity. So, it was the thought from my side for you. If you like this video, please comment in the box and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel Ankur Tyagi Officials at all. Thank you so much.